Hi guys. So today this is just a short video to introduce you to my version of Google Classroom and how I'm going to do things. So this may or may not be your class. I have several different sections of English 10A to this trimester, so it's all going to look the same. So obviously when you come here, there will be different announcements in the stream. This one's not posted yet. But it will be on November 30th, saying, please join me in a Google Meet from 9 to 9:30 this morning so we can say hi and get to know each other. So I will post announcements here if there's anything that you need to know, any reminders about certain grades or when things are due, etc. But the most important thing, obviously, the most important thing here is the Classwork tab. Now, this is not going to look the same for you right now because most of these are not available. So, for example, you can't see week 3, you can't see week 2, but you will be able to see week 1 intro to 10A. So, I want you to notice that I put the day that things are due in the actual title. So, these 3 assignments will be the 3 that you do for Monday. They are due Monday night at midnight. These 3 are for Tuesday, due Tuesday night at midnight, 2 for Wednesday, 1 for Thursday, and 1 for Friday. It really depends. Sometimes there will be several little things for you to do. Sometimes there will just be one. It just depends on what we're doing that day. Another thing you will already be able to see is writing resources. Now, these are here for you down close to the bottom for any time you need them. So we're going to be doing a lot of writing this trimester. I think we write 6 essays. Technically, one's a personal narrative, one is explanatory, and the rest are argumentative on demands. But if I'm ever telling you, hey, you need to double check your MLA format, good news. It's literally right there on your Google Classroom. I've got a little reminder about thesis statements, transitions, and ICE quoting in your essays, which we actually are going to have a dedicated assignment about that one next week. But those are there as resources for you, and I will probably be adding more, as the trimester goes on. So anytime you're writing an essay, you're like, how exactly do I write this thesis statement? Good news, because I've got explanation, I've got examples, I've got videos of me explaining all of these for you. So it should be very helpful. Down at the very, very bottom is fun stuff. Not at all mandatory for class. If you want to ignore this forever, you absolutely can. But these are actually, you can see I've got them scheduled for the whole trimester already. But these are just really cool videos that I think that I find, or like a personality test, things that I like, like that, things that I think you might find interesting. And I probably will post more of those, but as of right now, it's just at least one video every Wednesday. So something as like a little pick-me-up, if you will. Again, not mandatory. You don't have to do anything with it for class, but it's there in case you want to. No big deal. So like I said, remember the main thing is going to the Classwork tab so you can actually see it set up like this, so you can really tell what is due on what day and what you need to do the day that you're working on it. It's very, very important. So you can have the topics over here, but I don't really like it how it looks whenever you click on the topic. I mean, I guess it tells you everything here again. You can see it, but I think it's just easier to see on the actual Classwork All Topics tab, personally. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, email me, text my Google Voice number, hop on a Google Meet with me, whatever you want to do. I hope you have a great day.